Are you looking for the geese? Don't use your toes. Okay, find the geese.
I will read it now. The Twins by Cat. Cat Twins by Keys.
Okay. What else? What else happens in this story?
I don't know.
What about the sheepdog? What does a sheepdog do with the farmer?
The farming have eggs. Carry eggs.
Okay, so go get the eggs and the farmer and the
I
sheepdog.
can read it.
Okay, you read it.
The sheep and the doggy carry farming. Which one?
Farmer Ted's eggs.
Farming that. Farming. I don't know.
Farmer Ted.
Can't farming that head. Farming head. Have eggs.
Good job.
It's too late for me then. Okay? Hey, why does Keepy fight?